A very warm welcome to my lesson for today, where we will be looking at mathematics. So, ladies and gentlemen, as always, please do allow me to say it is very much important that I say it is very much important because honorable members, what I'm about to say, it's massively, massively, massively. Hey, massively important, ladies and gentlemen, that I say a day without learning something new, it's a day wasted. By so saying, lepantla ka nkulunku, please, ladies and gentlemen, please do make sure that by the end of each and every lesson that I conduct, you learn something new. Very much important, honorable members, on that one. Most importantly, a day without learning something new, it is a day wasted. So obviously, mathematics is what we are going to be focusing on in today's lesson. I'm pretty much sure that you guys did notice the link that I sent in the groups, where I was saying before you attend today's lesson, make sure that you firstly catch up. Let me confirm. Can you guys be able to see there? Can you clearly hear me? It's load shedding on my side, so that is why I'm trying to somehow make sure that I adjust my lighting there. Can someone just indicate if you guys can clearly hear me? Can you clearly see there? Yebono maka. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everything is perfect. Okay. Okay. Kwakuhle lokho. Remember, we have started yesterday. Today, I said I'm just going to give you guys some problems to work on. I won't be talking much, but I'll give you guys some problems. I forgot what I gave you yesterday, but it might be a repeat, of which is fine. So today, honorable members, without any waste of time, this is what I'm giving you guys to straight away deal with it decisively. So the question therefore is simplify. So that means whatever that we're going to be doing in today's lesson, it is actually simplify. There you go. Work it out, comment with your answer. The first 2 or 3 to comment, then we start doing the corrections. So that means you might need to be very quick so that you comment with the correct answer. Then from there, we do the corrections. There is Larissa who has made a comment, and I suppose that is the answer to that question. Okay, so let's see if there's another one who's going to come up with that same answer. Okay. Seeing that all of you guys got that answer. It's fine. In this case, I will just give you guys some tips and then we move on to the next problem. Remember, this thing is the same as x over 2 plus that one is the same as 2x over 3, which is therefore equals to, we said LCD, you just take these numbers at the bottom. And then that means you're having 2 and again 3. Then what you do is to multiply that by LCD. That will cancel with that 2, then you have 3x, that you plus it. When you multiply, this 3 will cancel with that 1, so it's like 2 times 2, which is 4x. You end up having that plus that, which is 7x over that times that, it's 6. So that's how very quickly the honorable members worked it out. So the whole of yesterday's lesson is what we have been doing. So just in case if you might be attending my lesson for the very first time today, please be aware that there is an introductory lesson that we did yesterday where I teach on how to work out this type of problems. Remember, I've got two types of lessons. One where we do on Zoom. Second type of lesson where we do on YouTube, which is what we are doing today. So in today's lesson, you are not able to ask me the questions, but the only thing that I'm expecting from you, it is to give me the answers. So that means this is a session where I give you the problems, you work them out, you give me the answers, very quickly we do the corrections, and then from there we move on. Only when we do the Zoom lessons, that's when you'll be able to unmute yourself, ask me questions, do some suggestions, and all of that. But today, we are not doing any of those. I want to see if you guys can survive without the interference of the tutor, teacher, or whoever might be helping you. So let's see, how would you work out this one? For some of these problems, I will not be doing them, but I will just give them to you to work them out. We will only work together those problems that give a headache. But otherwise, for the easy problems, I'll give you guys to work them out. There is another one. So let's see if you're going to be able to win on that one. 5y over 6, 5y over 8. Didn't let's hear more. You got a different answer. What's happening there, honorable member? Heban. Now we've got too many different answers. Mwano got 7 over that, 5 over 6, 5y over 8, 5y over 6, 5y over... What's happening, guys? Is it 5y over 8 or 5y over 6? What's happening there? Okay, let me try work it out. So this thing is the same as y over 8 plus y over 2. So LCD in this case, we're going to say it's 8 and 2. So that means when you multiply that by that, this 8 will cancel with that 1. So now it's like you are having 8 over 2. And then when you multiply this LCD by that fraction, this 8 will cancel with that. It's like you have 2y. When you multiply this by that, this 2 will cancel with that 1, and then it's like you're having 8 over y. What is this plus that? It is actually 10y over, what is that times that? That is 16. So 2 goes 5 times into that, and then 2 goes 8 times into 16. Yes. So that means it is 5y over 8. 5y over 8. Okay, then it's fine. I'm sure you guys were able to notice that. So now let us move on to which one can I give to you guys? Maybe let me give you number 4. Problem number 4, which is 2 over 5. We have m there minus m over 10. Yes, what about that one? What about that one? Remember, guys, with this type of lessons, you might need to be very, very quick, because the first few to comment, we continue from there. The first 2 to 3 to comment, then we continue. So you might need to be very, very quick. Okay, let's hear more 3m over 10. Okay. Three m over 10 from Andlonge. Okay, last one to comment. Oh, okay. No, there are too many comments. Then it's fine. The moment you start getting the same answer, then it's an indication that possibly it is correct. So now let's move on. I'll give you number 5, which is 2 minus 1 over 4p minus 3 over 5. Yes, let's see how you would work out that one, honorable members, or members who are honorable. Yes, let's see how you would work that out. It's 2 minus 1 over 4p minus 3 over 5. Yes, exactly that. Let's see how you would work it out. Yeah, it seems like this one is not an easy one. I notice by the time you are taking to respond to that one. Otherwise, it's fine. I will give you guys enough time to work it out. Remember, the first few to comment, then it is an indication that you must have been done by then. Otherwise, I'll just wait for you guys to give it a try. And from there, we will see if you are getting the same answer. Okay, there's Larissa. Larissa got firstly, Dintle got negative p minus 28 over 20. Then we have 28 minus 5p over 20. Mandlonge 28 minus 5p over 20. I'm not sure what happened in Claire, because you are getting both answers be negative. Yes, yes, it seems like the correct answer is the one where you have 28 minus p all over 20. Okay, then it's fine. Let's try to work it out so that I see. So we said these two, we can just divide it by 1 just so that we make it a fraction. That one is the same as 1p over 4 minus 3 over 5. Then we say LCD in this case. We can just say it is that one, it is 4, it is 5. So we just take all of those. Therefore, all of that you're going to divide by your LCD, which is 1, 4, and also that 5. So you multiply this by each term. That one is going to cancel with that one. So it's like you have 2 times 4, which is 8, times 5. What is that? Let me quickly get a calculator then. Say 2 times 4 times 5. It's 40. So that means here we have 40 minus this 4 is going to cancel with that 4. It's like you have 1 times 5, which is 5. So that means you have a 5p minus this 5 is going to cancel with that, and then it's like you have 1 times 4, which is 4 times 3, which is 12. Yes. What is 40 minus 12? 40 minus 10 is 30, minus 2 is 28. So that means you have 28, and then you have 5p over, what is this thing? It is 20. Yes. So that means if you type it, it is going to be inside the brackets 28 minus 5p, you close, divided by, you say 20. Yes. Tiamo, you got some negatives there. Just confirm where you might have done it wrong. Very, very much impressed, honorable members. I am very, very much impressed. This is a very good indication that you guys have been paying maximum attention on yesterday's lesson. Okay, so now let's jump on to number 7. Let's see how number 7 looks like. You've got 3 over 4x minus, we have got x, where we divide that by 7, multiplying 3, 1 over 2. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. The Ntletiamo has fixed it. Well done, honorable member. So now, let us see how you would therefore work out this one. How would you work out that one, honorable members? Let's see how you would possibly work out that one. I'll just be waiting first for you to comment. Said Siamo's answer is correct. It's just that the way she placed the answer. Let me quickly check. No, she removed it. But the reason why it was incorrect is because she has negative 28 negative p all over 20. So it's already wrong in the sense that we are having negatives there. It's supposed to be positive 28, positive what was that, whatever that, all over 20. No negatives on that one. Okay, there is another problem, and that one is problem number 7. It's problem number 7 from my list. So let's see. The first thing, the first few to comment, we will therefore work it out. Okay, there we have some answers. We've got x over 28, we've got 11x over 28, 7x over 28. The denominator is the same, but numerators are different. What's happening there, honorable members? Why are you guys getting different numerators? What's happening? Yenze, what did you guys do differently there? Okay, let's then try to work it out. So let's see. Obviously, we are having 3x there. That thing is the same as 3x over 4 minus x over 7. If you remember, we said this multiplies that, you plus that. So what is 3 times 2? It's 6 plus 1, it's 7. So that means this thing is like 7 over 2. So you still have your 3x over 4 minus that times that is the same as 7x over that times that is the same as 14. So that means this is where we'll say our LCD, it is therefore 4 and 14. Therefore, it means we can say we have 4, we have 14, and then you multiply each by LCD. That 4 cancel with that. It's like you have 3 times 14. What will that be? Let me check. 3 times 14, that is 42. So that means you have 42x there minus this 14 will cancel with that one. It's like you have 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is equals to 28. So it's like you have 28x there. So what is 42 minus 28? 42 minus 28, it's 14. So that means we have 14x over, what is 4 times 14? 4 times 14, even if I don't have to do that, I don't think I even need to multiply, because it's like we have 4 and then we have 14. So this 14 will cancel with that one. It seems like we just have x over 4. Yes, x over 4. I see too many messages being retracted there. Nienzeni oqaleni. Nienzeni. Oqaleni nienzeni. Tau ya tswala. Lesego tau ya tswala. You are having 2 there. Why are you having 2 and I'm having 4 as the denominator, as the numerator, honorable members? Wenzeni lapho? It seems like the other honorable members are getting over 4. Okay, then it's fine. So now we are moving on to the next question. I hope you guys are learning there. Hope you guys are able to see how we deal with fractions. Remember, guys, this is just us trying to refresh our minds in dealing with fractions, especially the fractions where we do not have equal signs. That means on our next lesson, we are going to look at problems where we are solving for something, meaning on the left side, you've got fractions, on the right side, you also have fractions, so they are not fractions, and then you try to work it out. But what we are doing in today's lesson is simplify. So that means if you are given something similar to this and you need to simplify, this is how you would work it out. So on our next lesson, we'll look at something where there is an equal sign and we solve for the unknown. So I am going to give you guys number 8, which is 2 over 3k minus 2 divided by 14 over k. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. There you go, honorable members. There you go. Try to work it out. And then once you've done that, honorable members, let me know what the answer is for that one. Work it out. Let Heban Mandlonke. So manje. Yes, yes. That was very, very quick. That was very, very quick. Remember, guys, once you are done working it out, please remember to click on that like button, honorable members. Click on that like button. Maybe today, if we can push it until 20 likes. Yeah. Let me maybe set a target to say 20 likes. Then I will know that at least 20 reliable honorable members, they have attended. We did it yesterday. Oh, okay, now I remember. Now I remember. You remember almost yesterday I said, not yesterday, but I said one of those might repeat itself. Now you just confirmed that this one is the one that I gave you yesterday. Hey, I was surprised to go to mind long again. Ashesha aketa so quick, so fast. Hey, beseng thugile manje. Ah. Let's jump on to some other things now. Let's jump on to some other things. I'll give you this one as the first problem, or problem number 1. Let us say we have 2 over 3 there, and then we are having x there, plus, then we are having x, let's say plus 1 there, and that is being divided by that. Yes. Let's see how you would work it out, honorable members. There's number 1. So that means we have moved on to another type, another bango. Nani nana 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 manana 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 nani nana 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 another bango. Hey nana 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 manana 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 nana hey nana 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 anana bango. Hiban 3x plus 1 over 3. Seems like Larissa and Dintle already got an answer there. Let's see if there's someone available to confirm if that answer is correct. They've already got some answers. Heban, you guys are getting the same answer on that one. Okay. I will try work out this one with you guys, and then from there, the next question I will see. Okay. So remember, this one is the same as 2x over 3. You must always remember to rewrite it in that format so that it's easier to deal with it. So here, our LCD will definitely be a, what is it? 3. It's fine even if you say 3 and 3. It's fine even if you say that 3 and that 3. Let's see if we continue that way. So it's like we are saying our LCD, it is that 3 and 3. So that means this 3 will cancel with that 3, and then it's like you have 3 times 2, which is 6x. Plus, this 3 will cancel with that 3. It's like you have 3 times all of that. So you need to be careful to write it as that. So that means you have 3x plus double da. It's like you have 3x plus 3, the whole of that double da, it is equals to 9. So that means it's like that plus that is what? It's 9x plus that 3 over 9. So you can take out 3 as common factor. That means you'll have 3x plus 1. the whole of that divided by 9. Then you end up having this cancels, that cancels, 3 goes how many times into that? 3. So you end up having a 3x plus 1 all over 3. So otherwise, if you text it, it has to be inside the brackets, 3x plus 1, you close, and then you say over 3. So it seems like all of you guys, should I say all or most? Yes, most of you guys did get it correct, honorable members. I see Big Smoke has joined today. I didn't see you yesterday, Big Smoke. But there you are getting them correctly. I hope you did manage to catch up. Okay, let's see if you can be able to work out this one. So now, honorable members, I just check. If you get the same answer, then we continue. I will only dive in the moment you start having different answers. But now, this is what you are having. So let's see if you're going to be able to work it out. This is question number 2. So let's see. What's happening there, honorable members, or members who are honorable? Honorable members, or members who are honorable. Let us see. Let us see. Honorable members, or members who are honorable. Remember, guys, please, let's push that like button to something like 20 there. As soon as you are done, Moano, as the deputy speaker, let's remember to push them to click on that like button, honorable members, just so that I know that for this lesson at least a minimum 20 honorable members have joined. Yeah, before the end of this lesson we must push it to 20, guys, please. Please. The third question is getting ready, it's warming up. Okay, there we've got some answers. Wait, 4x plus 3 over that, 4x plus 3 over that. Okay, it seems like you guys got the same answer. Then it's fine. We now move on to number 3. What is number 3? It is 2 that you plus it with 2x, where you plus 3, and then the whole of that you divide it by 2. So let's see. What about that one, honorable members, or members who are honorable? What about that one? There we have Larissa who got 7 plus 2x all over 2. Okay. I'll just be waiting for some more answers. Then from there, we are going to compare. Eban, same answers. Okay. It's fine. Let's move on to question number 4 now. Let's see if you're going to survive there. So let us say you have 4x, that is being divided by 3 minus, let's say, x minus 2. Whole of that is being divided by 2. Yes. What about that one? Let's see if you are going to be able to work it out. There are some more answers there. Guys, please don't forget to press the like button as attendance register. Yes. Let's do that, honorable members. Okay, I'll just be waiting there to check what you guys are getting as your answers. We have 7 that. Mandlonke got a different answer. Mandlonke, you might need to verify that because it seems like most are getting 7 plus 2x over 2 or 2x plus 7 over 2, which is correct. Mandlonke and Siamo got the same answer, but the rest got the same different answer. Sipesitle Mtombeni, Heban, what's happening, guys? Mostly Heban. Now things are balanced. Guys, what's happening? You're getting different answers. Kwenzenja. We are answering this question. Is the next question, sir. Remember, you need to say 4 it's equals to, so that I'm aware which question you are answering. Because you might find that the previous comments were for the previous question, but this one, number 4, Larissa is getting positive instead of negative. What's happening? Now this one I will definitely have to work it out. This one I will definitely have to work it out. Let's see. So that means straight away we can say LCD, it is a 3 and 2. So that means we've got that 3 and 2. That will cancel with that. 2 times 4, it's like 8x. Minus, that will cancel with that. It's like you have 3 into x minus 2. Therefore, you are having 8x. When you say the, you have negative 3x. Negative times negative, it becomes a positive 6. Yes, all of that is that by that, it is 6. So that means, what is this minus that? Is it not 5x plus 6 over 6? So if you type the answer, you type it this way. Yes. Hey, Tsiamo, lesego, tauya tswala, nisobenkinkeni. Nisobenkinkeni kakhulu kabi. If you forget that negative, mandlonke. Nisobenkinkeni. You can't forget the negative, because the moment you do, it means if you were a pilot flying to Malawi, you will see yourself there in India, honorable member. You will take the opposite direction. So it is not acceptable that you forget the sign. The moment you do that, senkinke. Oh, senkinke. And we have that and that. All of that over that. Okay. Number 5. So let's see. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4. We still have 4 more questions. We still have 4 more questions. But now, let's see how you would work out this one, honorable members, or members who are honorable. Orera. Remember to say number 5 and then you give the answer just so that I know which question you are answering. Okay. Seems like you guys are getting that correct. Okay. What about if we have 2x? That is question number 6. 2x being divided by 3, where we minus 3x, and that is being divided by 2, minus we are having x that is being added to 1 over 6. Yes. What about that one, honorable members, or members who are honorable? Why are people getting negative? Yes. What a question. Okay. Let me see. I did not notice that. Let me try work it out. The previous question, 1 over 6a. You see now, I'm suspecting they still forgot that negative. Hey, why are you guys forgetting that? That means LCD, it is 6 and also 8. So that means we have 6 and 8. That will cancel with that. It's like you have 8a minus that 8 will cancel with that. It's like you have 6 into a minus 1. So that means you have 8a, it becomes minus 6a, and then that it makes it positive 6 over, what is that times that? Let's see. What is 6 times 8? That is 48. Okay. And then this minus that, it makes it 2a plus 6 over 48. Why are you guys getting negative value? Mapula Letswalo, me too, I'm wondering why are these guys getting that negative? You know why? They still forgot that negative. Very, very dangerous. You forget the negative, sinking. Okay. So let's see. What about this one? What are you guys getting for this one? 1 plus 6x over 6. Message retracted. Okay. 1 plus 6x over all over that. Okay. I'll wait until you work out this one. We will see. Ogutini Sipite wena yara tea o logi waga haunze usisapa baba mwe le osipite yeso ya ora bella unze utushapa tubaba mwe lena simpite when I ra te ha o loki waga aunze usisaba baba ngwe lena sempite yeso 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 yakuthandaza ngiyakuthandaza unze usisaba batho ba bangwe nami ungangdluli yeso yeso ngiyakuthandaza ma usiza abanye abantu ungangdlulile na yeso 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 ngiyakuthandaza ma mausiza babangwe lena sikampeta yeso 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 yakuthandaza ma mausisa babangwe lena usike wampi nkulunkulu ngiyakucela baba ngiyakucela nkulunkulu ungangdluli mama mawusiza abanye nami ngifuna usizo lwakho ngoba nami ngihluphekile ngikhuluma ngqiniso nkulunkulu kunzima mawunthembe wena nkulunkulu unzima awuthi sibone ukuthi la singayenzani ungathi singathatha sikisi bese sithi 6x Why are you guys getting a different answer from mine? Shokti, I made a mistake. Where did I make a mistake now? I get we have all of that. This 3 cancels with that one. You have 2 times that, which is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Then you say minus, we have that 3 cancels with that 3. No, that 2 cancels with that 2. So it's like you have 3 times 3, which is 9 times 6. So 9 times 6 is 54. Yes. I am not sure about this one. Say, can you work it out? Say you forgot the negative. Did you not forget the negative? Maybe I made a mistake. Let's see, where is the negative that I forgot? So that means there is the negative. Okay, then when I say that times that is negative 6, that times that it's negative 6. Okay, then when you say this minus that, this is what I'm getting. But where did I forget a negative now? So let's say 24 minus 54 minus 6. I'm getting negative 36 most. Hmm? I'm getting that negative 36 minus 6. And then let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, there is the negative. Yes, now I get your point. But then it therefore makes it negative 6 minus 1 all over that. Yes. So that means your final answer has to be negative 6x minus 1, that 6. Yes. Mm. Is it not supposed to be that, honorable members? I saw the negative that I forgot, but now you guys are getting 6 minus 1 and then that. Am I making a mistake again? Mapula Letsualo, yours, it's 6 times all of that, which is already wrong. Oh, unless, okay, now I see. I think Mapula is saying, I think you are correcting me on that one. Okay, now it makes sense. But now, the reason why it's not plus 1, Larissa, it's because when you say that by that, it has to take you back to there. If you have a plus there, it means when you say 6 times that, it gives you negative 36. 6 times positive 1, it gives you positive 6, which can't be correct. I'm not sure if it makes sense now, Larissa, because here we are actually factorizing. It's like you have to take it back to its original state if you do that by that. I see someone saying it's correct. Is it mine which is correct, honorable members? That one is that one correct before we continue? Mm? Okay, it makes sense. Thank you. Okay, okay. That means we are now on the same page, honorable members. It's either you are honorable members or members who are honorable. Okay, very good. Very good. I'm glad we are now on the same page. So can you guys see? It's not only you make mistakes, even us we do make mistakes, but when we work together, we are able to correct ourselves from the mistakes. Let's now see how you would work out this one. X squared, all of that over 2 minus 2x over 7, 3x over 2 plus 1. X squared over that minus and that over 7 minus 3x over 2 plus 1. Yes. Pula tsa le hlonolo hari na kamedupi otle eleli pororo enahle onkobole hoji so mungwa ka lena se lena hoji so mungwaka o se te palelena pula tsa lehlo honolo harina kame topi otle eleri pororo lena se oji so ongwaka o se te palelena. Manje ungathi ngizodinga i-first part manje. Ungathi ngizodinga i-first part. I'm not sure if there's someone who assisting there with a first part, soprano. I think I will take bass and then tenor. Yes. To, to, to. Bula zale honolo arina kamerube ote ileri pororo lena se na oji oji so omwa o sente balele na oji oji so mwa mwa o sente balele na titi kiri titi titi sente balele na sente ba o sente bale o sente balele na sente balele na pula tsa le hlonolo adina kameru be. Okay. Otle lady pororo Larissa and Siamo got the same answer. Okay. Bula zale honolo arina kameru be otle eleri pororo lenahle lena oji so mungwa ka osidi balelena. Hey bana, you guys got it correct. Kwase kwamna it's good is na it's na kwase kwamna it's good is na it's na shukthi ancane kancane niyavela mos lebandla lakaNkulunkulu. Ungathi sizongena ezulwini, ngiyakutshela ungathi sizongena ezulwini, sizongena ngevosho, ngiyakutshela lapha emazulwini dana emazulwini dana nemazulwini amazulwini yeah, no, these lyrics are now mooring me big time. This song yasemazulwini ayi ungathi yangishaya manje, bengithi ngifuna uyicula ungathi iyangishaya manje futhi ingishaya ngakhulu ngabi. Okay, so there's 3 different answers. Okay, we have different answers. Okay, there is the one. Let me now try to work out this one. So we are having x squared over 2 minus 2x over 7 minus 3x there over 2 plus 1. So LCD, mine is going to be that 2. This one I will say over 1. It's going to be that 2, 7, 2, and then 1. And let me make it clear that say 2 and then 1. Okay, so now it's like this will cancel with that. It's like now we have 7 times that, which is 14. So that means there we have 14x squared, and then that 7 will cancel with that 1. So it's like we have 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, which is 8. So we have 8x there minus that 2 cancel with that 1. Then it's like we have 7 times 2, which is 14, times 3. What will that be? What is 7 times 3? No, 14. 7 times 2 times 3, it is 42. So that means there we have 42x, and then there we have 2 times 7 times that. It's like we have 2 times 7, which is 14, times that, it becomes 28. Remember, all of that is divided by that 272, and then that 1. So now it means we have 14x squared. What are these two? So it's actually that and that. Why is it like I'm getting a different answer now? 1428. Wait. Wait. Unless if you guys took out something as common factor. Yes. If we take out, let's say 2 as common factor, we end up having 7x squared minus 25x plus, it's going to be, is it 14? I think 14 all over 28. Then we end up having that it's 14, and then we have 7x squared minus 25x plus 14 over 14. 7 squared minus 25 plus 14. Yes, Moano, just be careful there to remember that it's 7x squared, not 7 squared. So I hope you guys saw what the answer is supposed to be. So for that question, remember to say 8. Remember to say 8, so that I'm aware that the answer that you are giving is for question number 8. So after 8, we have one last more. Pesesqetile. Bana bantate bana selina. Bana bantate selina. Ubani hole wa maloba. Ole wa malo. Esalien na le kajeno. Bana banta hana. Sizile. Bana banta te. Silena. Obani oli wa maloba. Ole wa malo. Esalien na le kajeno. Mana bantate. Sizile, anabantate, sizina, ubane ole wa maloba, ole wa malo, ezalien, alekajeno. abantate banaban siziele siziele banabantate silena ubani ole wamaloba ole wamalo ezale yena lekajeno oye meri ole wamalo oye meri wamalo ezale yena lekajeno oye meri wamalo ezale yena lekajeno oye meri wamalo ezale yena lekajeno ezale yena lekajeno wayengathi inzima le only dinhletsi yami got an answer to that one ungathi kunzima nya Three different answers. Yes, yes. Kuzazoshuba mos. Dintle and Mzwake Higo, you guys got the same answers. But when it comes to Lariso and Tauye Iswallo, you guys got different answers. Okay, awuthi sibone ukuthi sizoyenza kanjani le nto le. Angithi sinethula singathi over 2. Manje siso-subtracta nge that over that angithi. Manje le nto le shokuthi fana ne this multiplying the whole of that. Shokuthi fana ne that over that. Okay? Shokuthi our LCD manje izobe i1 4 and 8. Shokuthi manje sine 1 4 and then 8. So that one will cancel with that. It's like we have 2 times 4, which is 8. 8 times 8, what is that? That is 64. Minus this 4 will cancel with that, and then it's like you have 8 into x minus 4. And then minus this 8 will cancel with that. It's like you have 4 into x plus 1. So now you have 64, da. It's like you have minus 8x plus, what are those two? What is 8 times 4? That is 32. So that means we have positive 32 minus da, you have 4x minus 4. All of that is like that by that. What is 4 times 4 times 8 is 32 times 1, still 32. Then it means we are having, in terms of the numbers, 64, we plus it with 32, we minus by 4. So we have 64 minus, not a minus, but plus 32, and then we minus 4. Then we have 92. So that means number is 92. Then we have this and that, which will give negative 12x over 32. Can we take out something as common factor? Maybe we can take out 2. Let's see if we take out 2. So that means we can say 92 divided by 2 to give us 47 inside. If we take out 2 there, we remain with 6x. And then we have 32 there. And then that goes, getting too many different answers. Let's see. What goes into 47? Is it, let's see. 47 maybe divided by 2. No. 47 divided by 6. Why is it like this is now my final answer? Guys, what's happening there? It seems like we are all getting different answers there. Maybe let's see. What is it? 47 divided by 7. 47 divided by 4. 47 divided by 4. Guys, what's happening there? Is there somewhere where I made a mistake? Or kwenzenjani? And we are having all of that. That is our LCD. And then it's like now that one, it's like we're saying 2 times 4 times 8, which is 60. That, yes. 2 times 4 times 8, it's 64, yes. And when you say that by that gives negative 8, that by that it gives positive 32. Then that by that negative 4, that by that negative 4, yes. Over that times that is 32, yes. And then when you say 64, you plus it by that, you minus that, it gives you 92. That's what I'm getting. And then this one and that one, it gives you negative 12x, yes. Then what I did was to take out 2 as common factor. So if you take out 2 as common factor, let's see, 2 times oh, okay, my mistake was on this one. So that means when you take out 2, let's see, so that means I have to say 92 minus that, yes. Okay, let me correct that. And let me correct that. So 92, if you divide it by 2, it becomes 46. Yes, so that means there it is 46. Yes, so that step I'll write it there. So that means we end up having 46 minus 6x divided by 16. Yes, so let me see if I can still take out something there. 46 maybe divided by 6, no. 46 divided by 3, 46 divided by 2 again. No, why am I doing that? 46 divided by 3, 46 divided by 2, it gives 23. So that means I can still take out a 2 on the outside. That means I'll have 23 there minus, here I'll have 3x over 16. Then this one, it goes 8 times in there. So that means I have 23 minus 3x over 8. Yes. Yes. Yes, 23 minus 3x over 8. Yes. So Moano says 4 is our common factor. Yes, that is correct. And Larissa did notice that it's supposed to be 90. What is it? 46. Yes. There I had 47. It's supposed to be 46. So that's what made it to look wrong. Okay. So now let's do the final one. Let us do uh, the final one. Let's see. Number 9. This is x minus that. We are having that. We plus that and then that. Yes. This is the last one. It seems to be an easy one. So let's see if you're going to be able to work it out. And then from there, we sign out, honorable members. I am very much impressed with your progress. Trust me on that one, honorable members. I am massively impressed with your progress. It is a very good indication that we are definitely getting somewhere. We are definitely getting somewhere. Trust me, you won't find some difficulties in understanding how certain math problems are being solved, because it's not only about learning how to solve the problem, but it prepares you to some other calculations. That is the importance of these lessons. We have Dintlets here more there who got an answer being 4x minus 12 over 3. Let's see if others are going to get that same answer. And from there, yeah, we will see. From there, we will see. Hey, man, it seems like won't come to uthola that same answer. Seems like won't come to. There's Augustine Ledwaba. Mwana Ledwaba. Mwana Ledwaba. Uthola 4x minus 12 over 3. That includes Mendlonge. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, trust me, it is that day where I need to say, my name is Desmond, and guess what? I am out. So guys, it is that time to sign out, honorable members. I've already signed out, and I have indicated that I am very much very good night. I will see you guys again tomorrow. I think I will be seeing you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tsenalanga ndemwano ndova. Bakutuwa umwano. Let us see, guys. Eskolo spumile manje. Sekolo sijwile. Waleria haye. Sekolo sijwile. Waleria haye. Eskolo spumile. Manje siyekhaya. Eskolo spumile. Manje siyekhaya. Chikolo ndikhofa. Manje ndikhoya haye. Ndikolo ndikova. Manje siya ekhaya. The school S8. And no Hantu ver. Hantu home. Yeah. The school G8 and no Hantu home. Yeah, something of that nature. Tsena langa ndi Larissa ene ke tswi heaven. Larissa ke so moeng monna Mopedi or o Movenda. There's Mandlonke. I'm Mandlonke signing out. What about you, Mandlonke? I already know that one on the Movenda. Not sure about Larissa. I'm not sure about Mandlonke. There is Lunati Peter. Lunati Peter, what about you, honorable member? Dintle siamo, lebitso la ka ke siamo, and ke tswile. There is Khomotsang. I'm sure this one Mopedi. Khomotsang Mopedi. Sekolo si tswile. Jwale re hae. Sekolo si tswile. Jwale re hae. Sekolo si tswile. Jwale re hae. Sekolo si tswile. Re hae. Sekolo si tswile.